The Cloud County Community College Lady Thunderbirds cross-country team competed at the 2011 Rosa Invitational in Kenosha, Wisconsin this weekend. Freshman Vanessa Resch led the ladies, finishing 22nd overall at 21 minutes 11 seconds. Sophomore Hillary Calloway was 5 spots behind Vanessa Resch with a time of 21:32. The third finisher for the Thunderbirds was Shanae Mapson, who placed 67th overall at a time of 24:30. Alicia Busby crossed the line with a time of 26:09, and Andrea Gardner finished at 28:08. The race weather was beautiful and the course was scenic but challenging, as Vanessa Resch describes.
The race was good. Kenosha is a very beautiful course. We ran very strong there. I ran one of my fastest times of the year. Very difficult course, very beautiful to watch and see, but one of the harder courses of the season.
I'm at Kenosha. I beat some four-year schools up there. There was one other junior college in the field from the Chicago area, and we beat that school and beat a few of the four-year schools. So as a group, a couple of the girls ran up in the top 30 in the meet, which was a decent finish for them. Didn't have a great time on the meet. A lot of that's due to that first part of the course, but all in all, I think they had a very successful run there.
The Lady Thunderbirds will compete at the Butler Invitational on October 21st, and then they will travel to Garden City for regionals on October 31st.